Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create student assignment tracker in Coda. So first thing that you will do is you will open Coda. Then here we will have new doc option. Let's start with blank doc. Right now here, first thing we will do is we will change the header student assignment tracker. Next thing, you can use / then table. Now here we will add assignment date as first column, right? Second column I want to use topic. Third I want for due date. So we have like 2 dates, and finally I will add note. Right, so first being the date, we will change the column type to date. Then due date is also one of the date columns, so that is one more. Right now, say assignment tracker is my table header. Right, so if we check with assignment date, here you can see in US based date format, we will make it look pretty. Right, next thing is topic. So we have like topic, which is, let's say it's physics based, right? Then due date is 12, right? Let's make it readable again. Right, now for notes, or we can simply switch this to text based and say notice gravity related assignment, right? And we can even, let's say we added one column accidentally, can get rid of that, delete it. Right, now extend the current notes one so that it doesn't overflow and we can see it in one row. Right, so here you can add some color so as to bring some attention to this particular field. Right, so you have your start date, which you can turn into, right? So let's use green as the start, red as the end date. Right, similarly you have like this topic and format, conditional format you can choose, make it okay. So start with this topic, you can have yellow, and you have your colors as well. So assignment tracker that you can see here created in Coda. Now you can add your assignment and their dates, topic, due date, and note for that. So this is done in Coda. You can try this on your own.